my dear students, how are you? All of you, I hope all of you are doing well, safe, and fine. Actually, you know what? I went to the market once. Today, I went to the market once, of course, with my mask on. Today, I went to the market once, and there actually I met one friend of mine, and then she asked me actually like, why aren't you making much videos as consistently as you make for 11 and 12 for class 9 and 10. Then I told her, since the number of views of class 9 and 10 is like a very slow process, so I thought that there are not many viewers of class 9 and 10, so that's why I was focusing more on class 11, 12, and the other videos. Then what she told me was very encouraging for me, because after that she was telling me like, I have a neighbor, and then that student actually, this your channel is the only means of learning for her, because these days tuitions are off. On top of that, smartphones, as I used to say, is not available for every single person in a family, for every family. So she always waits for the that student actually always waits for this video, for the videos to be uploaded. So she's always like, she that student is dependent on this channel, and also like that gave me a lot of motivation, because rich kids, rich students, maybe they have all these gadgets with them, maybe they have personal tutors with them. So maybe they may not be, these videos may not be of too much help for them. But it's not that I teach the best, but it's just that one student that I would like to reach out to, who are facing problems, and then maybe I was just waiting for this word of encouragement out of nowhere. And then because it's those kind of students, that section of the society where of the students whom I would like to reach out to, who don't have any means of learning. Everything is just locked for them. So it's that section of the students from whom I wanted actually one word of encouragement, motivation actually to say. And then today I got that motivation, because if even one student is benefiting, from this video, then definitely like that would give me the confidence and the motivation to proceed further, and I got that. So maybe that is God's way of telling me to continue to do what I am presently doing. So it was good to know that there are students, maybe that student might be watching now also, so it's good to know that there are students who are actually learning from this channel. So thank you, please do share, and then please of course do help me reach out to that section of the society who really needs this learning of mathematics from different, from these channels. And then of course please don't forget to like and subscribe, and then of course share. Okay, now going back to exercise 6.3, class 9, lines and angles. This is from question number 3, that is, diagram is already given to us here. So it says that AB is parallel to DE. So AB is parallel to DE. AB is parallel to DE, and then angle BAC is given, angle CD is given. We are supposed to find out angle DCE. So we are required to find out angle DCE. So that's quite simple, because as we know, if there are two lines parallel and a transversal is cutting across them, then this angle is always equal to this angle. That is, imagining, you see, this line is parallel to this line. So definitely this angle, this angle is definitely going to be equal to this angle, isn't it? Because if we just ignore this for once, you see they are alternate, what do we call it, alternate interior angles. So okay, maybe we can write, already given, but we will just write down, since AB is parallel to DE. So what will happen is angle BAC would be equal to angle DEC. That would be, I'll write down the reason here, in short, alternate interior, just give me a moment. Okay, alternate interior angles, so that means angle DEC is equal to how much? Will also be equal to 35 degree. Okay, so now proceeding forward. So now we'll see, this is already 35 degrees. So all we need is this angle. So that's quite simple, because now in triangle CDE, so in triangle CDE, what will happen is angle CDE plus angle CED plus angle DCE is equal to 180 degree. That's all. So what is angle CDE? CDE is already given 53 degree plus angle CED is 35 degree plus angle DCE, that's what we have to find out, equal to 180 degrees. So let's solve this. I know that of course most of the students are watching this, but I just needed that motivation very badly, okay, especially with class 9 and 10, no? So I really got that. I'm really helpful. I don't mean that the other students are not watching, only one student is watching, but just that one word of motivation from one student, it's like more than, it's like just enough for me. Alright, so 180 minus 88. 180 minus 88, that will give me, I guess, how much? 92. Because 92 plus 88 would be, if I can, yes, 18. So that's 92 degrees. Okay? Alright then, so moving on to the next question, you can take out the other question, that is question number 4. So what do we have with question number 4? 4, 4, 4, okay. So 4 we have, find this figure. I would like to actually remind that this channel is basically for my dear students. I repeat this, but my only motive is to reach out to students, those who need these videos very badly, no source of learning. I know in this video description, channel description, I have already actually mentioned no place of learning, no sufficient smartphones, no online classes. And definitely even for students who can attend online classes, I'll be very happy, of course, if you let me know that definitely this channel is providing you much help. Because you can just go through, if you forget some topics, some questions, you can always go through the videos and just remind yourself, clear yourself of the small doubts that you have. And then of course I believe that there are many who are watching these videos. Actually, I'm thankful to all my subscribers, all my viewers, for constantly actually motivating me from your views, beautiful comments, likes. Thank you so much. Okay, and then of course definitely please do continue to support me, so that I can I'll be more motivated to bring out more videos more regularly. Because sometimes in life what happens is all we need is a small motivation, just when we are about to give up, just that one motivation really helps us. Anyway, once again, thank you. So now coming back to this question, see what happens is angle PRT is given, angle PRT is given 40 degree, angle RPT is also given, angle TSQ is also given. To find angle SQT, where is this? Angle SQT, this is my angle that we have to find out, no problem. Can we find out this angle? Because there are no parallel lines given, so actually we cannot be using this alternate corresponding angles and all that we cannot be using. So can we use, yeah, definitely I think we can find out. So that is in triangle PTR, what happens? Like angle, I'll just name 95. RPT plus this is 40, what? Okay, angle PRT plus angle PTR will be equal to how much? 180 degrees, isn't it? Because the total sum of the three angles in a triangle is 180, that we studied in the previous videos. So angle RPT, where is this? RPT, how much? 95 degree, this is 40 degree, plus this is, we will find out. Of course the question doesn't tell us to find this, but let's see why we are really trying to find out. So 5 13 plus angle PTR is equal to 180 degree. So angle PTR would be equal to 180 minus 135. So that will be how much? 5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 45 degrees. So this is how much for us? 45 degrees. Okay? Alright. So now you see, why did I find out this? Because in the first exercise we learned about vertically opposite angles. So you can see that this angle is vertically opposite to this angle. That means this is also 45 degree. So angle PTR is equal to angle STQ. No? Angle STQ. What is it? Vertically opposite angles. So this is also equal to how much? 45 degrees. So now we can easily find out this angle, this, around say, right? Because again, sum of three angles in a triangle is 180. Already two found, only one is missing. So let's find out in triangle STQ. Angle STQ plus angle TSQ plus, I think I don't need this anymore, so I'll just rub this angle, angle SQT is equal to how much? 180 degree. That's what we were supposed to find out, isn't it? Angle SQT. Fine. So let's find out. I think you can do that. So angle STQ 45, this 75, this we have to find out. SQT 180 degree. So how much is this? 10, 120 plus angle SQT equal to 180 degrees. So that will be equal to angle SQT will be equal to 180 minus 120 degree. How much? 60 degree. Simple as that. Done. Alright, let's move on. You can pause the video and then of course you can note down. Alright, some things may not be, yeah. Let's move on to the next question. That would be, I think, question number 5. Okay, let's just draw the figure. Your exams actually are approaching, so please make sure that you put in effort in your studies, because hardly now 2-3 months left, and then we never know when the exam is going to be conducted. We cannot say tomorrow, today, but we have to be just prepared for the worst. We just cannot sit back and relax. Nothing is going to come to us for free and easily. Okay, life is not going to make things very easy for anyone. It's always difficult. But out of every difficult times, we have to come out. We have to come out victorious. To find the values of x and y. Okay. Alright, now see, PQ, what? PQ is perpendicular to PQ? Sorry, PQ is perpendicular to PS, not possible, isn't it? So PQ is perpendicular to PS, that means this is 90 degree. Fine. PQ is parallel to SQ. PQ is parallel to, what is happening to me? PQ is parallel to SR. PQ is parallel to SR. Actually, I'm not feeling quite well today, so that's why I guess confusion is going on. Right, nothing to be serious. PQ parallel to SR, so that's also fine, and some angles are already given to us. SQR, I hope I have to recheck today. SQR equal to 28 degree, angle QRT equal to 65 degree. To find angle X and Y. So no problem, solution. Very simple. You see now, since PQ is parallel to SR, so if I just happen to rub this, Okay, and maybe just this, all the distractions. So see, these two lines are parallel and this is one line transversal. So what will happen is angle PQR would be equal to angle QRT. Why? As we have already seen alternate interior angles, isn't it? Because see, this angle actually will be equal to this angle, right? But what happens is this angle is actually a combination of two angles. So what is angle PQR? Angle PQR is actually how much? X plus 28 degrees. That's equal to how much? 65 degrees. So x will be equal to 65 minus 28 degrees. So how much will be that? 7, 1 left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 37 degrees. So x we already have got, that is 37 degrees. So now you see, that's again very simply done, around say, right? So, and PQ is perpendicular to PS, so that means angle QPS is equal to how much? 90 degrees. So you see, in this triangle now, so that means this is already done, we don't need this anymore. So only one angle missing, two angles already there, so angle sum property let's use in a triangle. So in triangle PQS, angle PQS plus angle PSQ plus angle QPS is equal to 180 degree. So what is angle PQS? 37 degree. Angle PSQ, Y. Angle QPS, how much? 90 degree. That's equal to how much? 180. So 90, 100, 127. So Y plus 127 degree equal to 180. Y equal to 180 minus 127. 3, 5. So Y is how much? Y is equal to 53 degrees. So that's how it is done. So I think that should be enough for this video. So there are 2 or 3 more questions which definitely I'll finish in the next video. So please do continue. If you have liked this video, of course please do like. I really need that as a motivation. Okay, alright then, see you, take care in the next, see you in the next video. Bye bye, stay safe.